welcome back to my channel. Today I have a lot of cleaning to do. It is almost noon. I'm starting super late today. I have a lot of laundry to do. I need to clean the bathrooms. I want to mop the floor. Oh yeah, let's get started. All right, so we're starting with the kids' laundry. This is the liner to their laundry basket. And I like it because it comes with these straps, so if you want to do all the laundry that day, you can just bring the whole thing downstairs or to your laundry room. And this is also washable, so I will link their laundry basket down below. And right now I'm going to sort their laundry, start a load, and then I'm probably going to move on to the bathrooms.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah.
So I just recently started hand washing the boys' socks from time to time. I definitely don't do it every time I wash their clothes, but if I have the time and the load of socks isn't that large, I will definitely throw them in the sink and try something different every time. I'm just trying to find a better way to keep their socks white longer. So this time I'm throwing in a little bit of detergent and baking soda and then let that sit and come back later on.
I don't really care about love.
Now that the laundry's going and the socks are soaking in the sink, I'm gonna go to the living room and vacuum, dust, and just straighten up.
Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in a
Moving on to the pantry, I definitely need to clean the floors in here. It has been way too long since I've mopped in here, so I'm gonna start with the countertops. I'm using my Windex all-purpose spray with vinegar. Love that stuff, especially on countertops. And I'm just gonna wipe the countertops down. Then I'm gonna use that same spray on the door to our wine fridge. Don't worry about the stuff that's on the countertop. The only thing that's permanent there is the toaster. Everything is just kind of random sitting up there right now. It's actually been sitting there since we got our countertops installed, but don't worry about that. I am gonna be bringing in maybe a few pieces in here just to liven it up a little bit, maybe something on the wall, but that'll be pretty much it. So stay tuned for that. I had to stop and show you guys this artwork that showed up on my TV. I love this print. Moving on to the powder room, obviously this is where guests would use the bathroom, and the kids also run in and out of here when they're outside playing. So I always try to spot clean throughout the week in here, but I haven't done a deep clean in a while. So that's what I'm going to be doing: dusting, cleaning the mirrors, the window, the sink. Toilet is always pretty clean in here, but I'm still going to hit it with some Clorox wipes, and then I'm going to mop the floors. originally separated the kids' clothes into 3 separate piles. There were colors, darks, and then their white socks. Their darks was such a small load, so I just added that into their colors and everything still turned out fine. So right now I'm just separating everything. The majority of their clothes go into the dryer, but there are some things that I need to hang to dry. I'm going to do that in a minute. Before I head upstairs to hang their clothes to dry, I'm going to throw in my runner that was in the pantry. This runner is from Ruggable. I love it. They're washable rugs. All you do is take it off the sticky pad, throw it in the washing machine on gentle. It comes out nice and clean. Okay, so we're moving on to the kids' bathroom. I always try to clean their bathroom at least once a week because it gets super disgusting. Everything that I'm going to be doing in here is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm going to be using Lysol wipes, Dawn Power Spray for the countertops and the sink, Windex on the mirrors, and then scrubbing bubbles for the tub. The last thing I'm going to be doing in here is cleaning the floor around the toilet with Lysol wipes, which actually led to me cleaning the entire floor in the bathroom with Lysol wipes. I usually like to use my spray mop, but since the bathroom is pretty small, I just kept going. So this just showed up at our doorstep. My sister sent this for the kids because they love popcorn and they've been wanting a popcorn maker, and we like it because it's really easy to use. You just pour your kernels in, push a button, and they start popping. So right now I'm just gonna set it up in the pantry. So I went ahead and drained the water. That water was so brown and dirty, but I'm just gonna give the socks a quick rinse before I throw them in the dryer. By now you guys know that I love to share my recipes with you guys. I found this one off of TikTok as always. I will leave the creator's name down below, but it's called garlic butter chicken and rice, and this was so good. So you're gonna take some chicken thighs, season them however you like. I used AP seasoning, which is pretty much salt and pepper, and then smoked paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. I mixed it up really well, and we're gonna throw the chicken in a pan with some oil and cook them until they're done. When your chicken is done, you're gonna cut it up and put it to the side, and then you're gonna chop one bell pepper and an onion, add it to those same juices in that pan, along with 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. Then you're gonna add some Cajun seasoning, some sazon, and then 2 cups of washed white rice. Once everything is mixed well, you're gonna add 4 cups of chicken broth, and you're gonna let that cook for about 15 minutes. Last thing we're gonna do is make a simple butter sauce. You're gonna get 1 stick of butter, chop up a couple of garlic cloves, add in some parsley or thyme, melt all of that, and then you're gonna pour it over your entire dish once you add your chicken onto your rice, once the rice is done, and that is it. It was so good. You guys are not gonna be disappointed with this one. Try it out. If you do, let me know. And that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.